Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to do a little share, not a share, it's actually to announce a challenge that I am doing to celebrate my 400 subbies. Thank you so much everybody for all your love and continued support. I am amazed at my channel growth, and I look forward to more channel growth. So if you have crafty friends or family you think would be interested, go ahead and share my channel with them. If you are new here, I would love for you to join me on my crafty journey. You can do that by hitting the subscribe button, and you can also be notified when I do upload a new video so you don't miss anything by hitting that bell next to the subscribe button. If you're a current subbie, I appreciate you so much. It's because of you I have gotten this far. And my challenge will be a Memorydex card that you need to mail in to me. You can find my mailing information in the description box below, as well as my email if you have any questions. You must be a visible subscriber to my channel. It is open to US and international. You must do a VR, and you must tag me in it. Just hashtag Makaz Home, MAKAZHOME, right there, Makaz Home. See it? And then the prize is $25. It does start today. It is due in my hands by June 30th. So you have just over a month. For you international people, it's just a Memorydex card. So hopefully you can whip that up really quick and drop it in the mail if you want to participate. It is going to be either PayPal. It'll probably be a PayPal gift card. No. I'll just deposit the $25 into your PayPal account. That'll be the easiest. Unless you tell me you want a specific gift card and I can get it over the internet. Otherwise, yeah, that's how it's gonna go. 25 bucks for a Memorydex card. Has anybody paid you lately for your Memorydex card? Anyway, so on the Memorydex card, I would like you to include a few things. They are very important to me, as Memorydex cards are what I use to send out happy mail to know when it's your birthday, so I could send you out birthday mail. So on the Memorydex card, please include your name, address, your mailing address, your date of birth, how you can be socially found, like, you know, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, whatever it is, your favorite color, candy, and animal, and anything else you want to add. I'll take the information. You can make your Memorydex in your style, whether it's clean, chic, vintage, shabby, modern, altered, steampunk, Parisian, boho, you name it, it's you. I'm just here to share some Memorydex cards that I have already. These are all the ones that I have. I've gotten them over the year and a half I've been here on YouTube from different crafty friends, and I appreciate it. But it's enough for me to fit in this little plastic container, and it's side by side, and I put them all on one side at the beginning of the year, and they are in birthday order. And so I just take out the month, work on them, put them here. Work on whatever the next month, put it here. So my next birthdays that I know about on my Memorydex are not till August. Burp, burp, burp. So as you can see, I do need to fill these up. But yeah, how cute are these? I can just show you the fronts to give you guys. This is from Liana. It's a deal. I remember that. Okay, so my battery ran out. I'm back, but I just have a few more. This one is from Virginia. She lives here locally. And then this one is from Therese. She's Tea Friday 77 here on YouTube. Look at all the layers. And then this one, I think this one is from Carrie, who is Double Click Connect. Yep, Double Click Connect here on YouTube. This one is from my friend Dolly, Crafty Mermaid Mom. And this one is from Veronica Morales. She is Veronica Morales, I think, here on YouTube as well. But yeah, so these are my Memorydex that I have, and so that's the challenge I'm hosting for my 400th SUBBIE challenge giveaway. If you have questions, like I said, my email is in the description box below. My mailing address is always in the description box below. And it is due to me by June 30th. And I am drawing the winner on July 3rd. $25 PayPal, unless you're specific on a gift card you want. So until the next video, shakas. Shaka shakas. Have a great day, crafty week. And we'll see you in the next video.